Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO Pad 5 and let me show you how to activate developer options. To unlock developer panel, you have to open the settings at first, then find and select about device, and here locate version. Here you'll notice a version number, tap on it 7 times, and as you can see from now on you are in developer mode. To find it, click on System and Update, and the developer options icon appeared right here. Click to enroll, and now you can smoothly use all the features here. Just scroll and pick the feature that you want to apply, that you want to use. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.